to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lay's potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
In the raw materials phase, farm fresh potatoes arrive and are inspected by our team before heading down the stainless steel conveyor belts.
Uniformity is key. These machines utilize precision blades to slice every potato to the exact same ultra.
We need to increase the feed rate slightly.
Okay, monitoring the moisture levels as it stabilizes.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Lay's potato chips are made, from start to finish.
And that's how Lay's potato chips are made, to the needs, from start to finish.
This is the Lay's factory. We are proud of our clean process, advanced technology, and the quality we deliver. The Lay's factory is amazing. Clean, modern, and trustworthy. We love Lay's chips. The Lay's factory is amazing. Clean, modern, and trustworthy. We love Lay's chips.